Welcome to IAS Academy. Prior to the 2022 preliminary exam, we will cover 15 previous year MCQs daily in a video. That is a total of 2500 plus MCQs before the exam. So let's start the session. Our first question is: the concept of Anuvrata was advocated by option A Mahayana Buddhism, option B Hinayana Buddhism, option C Jainism, option D the Lokayata school. Here answer to this question is option C Jainism. The concept of Anuvrata was advocated by Jainism. The 5 cardinal principles of Jainism, if followed by a monk, is called Mahavrata, and if observed by a lay follower, then it is called Anuvrata. The 5 fundamental forces of Jainism are Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Brahmacharya and Aparigraha. Question number 2. The Modi script was employed in the documents of option A Vodayas, option B Zamorins, option C Hoysalas, option D Marathas. Here answer to this question is option D Marathas. The Modi script was employed in the documents of Marathas. It was mainly used in maintaining the revenue and administrative records. Question number 3. Hooghly was used as a base for piracy in the Bay of Bengal by option A the Portuguese, option B the French, option C the Danish, option D the British. Here answer to this question is option A the Portuguese. Hooghly became the center of piracy due to British East India Company varnished the influence of Portuguese trade in the region. So dacoits confiscation and capture of goods were increased. Question number 4. Which one of the following texts of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? Option A Kama Sutra, option B Manava Dharma Shastra, option C Shukranidishara, option D Arthashastra. Here answer to this question is option D Arthashastra. According to social law of ancient India, a woman was always considered a minor. Divorce was prohibited, although it sometimes took place. According to the Arthashastra, a wife who had been deserted by her husband could seek a divorce. Arthashastra was written by Kautilya. Question number 5. The graph given below shows the mean average monthly temperatures in degrees Celsius and mean monthly rainfalls in centimeters of a place. The graph is indicative of which one of the climatic zones of the world? Option A wet and dry tropical, option B rainy tropical, option C semi-arid tropical, option D temperate marine. Here answer to this question is option A wet and dry tropical. As the graph indicates, average temperatures range 15 to 25 degrees Celsius and average rainfall range also in 15 to 25 centimeters, not exceeding 30 centimeter, and heaviest rainfall in May-June months. So the most appropriate answer is wet and dry tropical climate zone of the world. Question number 6. Arakan is the extension of the Himalayas located in option A Kashmir, option B Nepal, option C Balochistan, option D Myanmar. Here answer to this question is option D Myanmar. Arakan mountain range is also known as Rakhine Mountains, is located in the region of western Myanmar. The specific location of the Arakan mountain is between Irrawaddy River Valley and the Arakan coast. The Arakan mountains are part of the Great Himalayas. Specifically speaking, they are part of the Eastern Himalayas. Question number 7. The Red Data book published by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, that is IUCN, contains list of options are endemic plant and animal species present in the biodiversity hotspots, threatened plant and animal species, protected sites for conservation of nature and natural resources in various countries. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Here answer to this question is option B, 2 only, that is threatened plant and animal species. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species or the Red Data Book is the state document established for documenting rare and endangered species of animals, plants and fungi existing within the territory of the state or country. Question number 8. Which one of the following states of India does not have a legislative council so far, even though the Constitution Act 1956 provides for it? Options are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Here answer to this question is option D, Madhya Pradesh. As of today, 6 states have legislative councils. These are Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh had a legislative council from 1958, abolished it in 1985 and reconstituted it in 2007. Question number 9. The Narasimha Committee for Financial Sector Reforms has suggested reduction in option A, SLR and CRR, that is statutory liquidity ratio and cash reserve ratio. Option B, SLR, CRR and priority sector financing. Option C, SLR and financing to capital goods sector. Option D, CRR, priority sector financing and financing to capital goods sector. Here, correct answer to this question is option B, SLR, CRR and priority sector financing. Narasimha Committee for Financial Sector Reforms 1991 has suggested reduction in SLR, CRR and priority sector financing, reducing it from 40% to 10%. Most of the suggestions of the committee were not implemented. The key recommendations with respect to the banking sectors were reduction in the statutory liquidity ratio and cash reserve ratio. The committee also recommended that banks should get some interest on the CRR balance. The Narasimha Committee redefined the priority sector to include the marginal farmers, teeny sector, small business and transport sector, village and cottage industries, etc. The committee also recommended that there should be a target of 10% of the aggregate credit fixed for the priority sector. Question number 10. The price fluctuations of 4 scrips in a stock market in the 4 quarters of a year are shown in the table below. 4 different investors had the following portfolios of investment in the 4 companies throughout the year. The stock market performance are provided in the question. In the light of the above, which investor made the best investment? Here, answer to this question is option A, investor 1, because investor 1 has the maximum subscriptions of scrip D, which is making the highest effective profit of 25% at the end of the year. The other scrip A and C have huge loss and scrip B is merely making a profit of 7%. Question number 11. The variations in temperature from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius with respect to time of 2 liquids P and Q are shown in the graph given below. Which one of the following statement is correct? Statement number 1. During heating, liquid P remained hotter than liquid Q. That is incorrect because Q became hotter than P after the intersecting point of Q and P. Statement number 2. At no point of time during heating, the 2 liquids have the same temperature. That is also incorrect because at intersecting point of P and Q, 2 liquids have the same temperature. Statement number 3. P attained the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius faster than Q. That is also incorrect because P attained the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius slower than Q. So, the answer to this question is option D. Q attained the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius faster than P. As given in the graph, clearly Q attains 100 degrees Celsius temperature faster than P. Question number 12. Which one of the following elements is alloyed with iron to produce steel which can resist high temperatures and also have high hardness and abrasion resistance? Options are aluminium, chromium, nickel and tungsten. Here answer to this question is option B, chromium. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. On mixing with carbon, its strength and toughness got increased. In order to make it furthermore temperature and abrasion resistant, chromium is generally mixed with iron. It also increases its hardness and load bearing capacity. Stainless steel is a category of steel consists of iron, chromium and nickel and is also corrosion resistant. Nickel increases strength and hardness. Tungsten increases strength, hardness, toughness and wear resistance. Question number 13. Which of the following hormones contains iodine? Options are insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline and testosterone. Here answer to this question is option B, thyroxine. As we know, hormones are chemical substances that affect the activity of another part of the body that is on the target site. It is secreted by endocrine glands directly into the bloodstream. The hormone that contains iodine is secreted by thyroid gland. Thyroxine hormone contains iodine. The thyroid gland produces 2 primary hormones, thyroxine that is T4 and triiodothyronine that is T3. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones. Iodine is found in most foods, especially seafood. Question number 14. The memory of a computer is commonly expressed in terms of kilobytes or megabytes. A byte is made up of option A, 8 binary digits, option B, 8 decimal digits, Option C, 2 binary digits. Option D, 2 decimal digits. Here answer to this question is option A, 8 binary digits. The byte is a unit of digital information in computing and telecommunications that is most commonly consist of 8 bits. Question number 15. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. The Islamic calendar is 12 days shorter than the Gregorian calendar. That is incorrect because the Islamic calendar has 354 days and 355 days in a leap year. This means that the normal Islamic year is 11 days shorter and 10 days shorter in leap year than the Gregorian calendar. Statement number 2. The Islamic calendar began in AD 632. That is also incorrect. The Islamic calendar began in 622 AD and not in 632 AD. Statement number 3. The Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar. That is correct because it is based on the Earth's revolution around the sun. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Here answer to this question is option D, 3 only. That is the Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will continue with the set 7 tomorrow.